Welcome to Aviation Times. We are deeply saddened by the event which occurred yesterday, 19 January 2013. A Rolls-Royce Trent engine Airbus A333 operated by Virgin Atlantic hit some medium-sized birds shortly after takeoff from Orlando Airport. It sustained airframe impact damage and ingested one bird into each engine. Damage was subsequently found to both engines, although only one indicated sufficient malfunction.
The aircraft, operated by Virgin Atlantic Airways on a passenger flight from Orlando to Manchester, United Kingdom, experienced high engine vibration, was followed by indications of a total loss of oil pressure from the left-hand side of the engine, which was shut down. A mayday was then declared. After declaration of a mayday, the return to land overweight was completed uneventfully. The investigation confirms an issue with the response of oil pressure detection to and display system to high engine vibration events and recommended modification.
Right now we have our colleague Anush at the site of the accident where he will give us first-hand information about the accident itself. Over to you, Anush.
Thank you, Malin and Alif. I'm reporter Anush Kumar and I'm currently at the scene where the incident took place. Last night, Virgin Atlantic Flight 76 met with an unfortunate accident where birds were ingested into each of its engine. The birds are believed to be ring-necked ducks, and this bird was the culprit. Please follow me. Take a look here. These are the metal debris found from yesterday's incident. As you can see, these are very dangerous and harmful to people, but fortunately, there were no casualties and fatalities from yesterday's accident. And now, we will look at a clip which shows exactly what happens to the engine. Thank you.
So, after flexible thrust takeoff from runway 35L, the aircraft had suffered multiple bird strikes as it passed 530 feet. After which, a loud noise accompanied the impact of a bird with the nose of the aircraft, and shortly afterwards, ECAM indications of a malfunctioning left engine were enunciated. This was followed by a significant vibration of the engine which was felt through the airframe. These indications suggested that most likely the left engine is now showing a low oil pressure enunciation on the ECAM, and also an indication of zero oil pressure on the gauge itself. On initial contact with radar, the flight status was upgraded to Mayday and a return was requested. The aircraft was leveled at 3,000 feet where the crew reviewed the situation. The landing was uneventful and the aircraft taxied clear of the runway for an RFFS inspection which confirmed hot brakes. The total flight time was only 30 minutes. Recorded data on engine function showed that, following the ingestion, the left engine N1 shaft vibration had increased from 0.4 to 10 units, which was the maximum figure. The EGT had increased from 10 degrees Celsius to 771 degrees Celsius, and all three engine speed shafts increased slightly. As left engine speed had reduced, the N1 shaft vibration level had also reduced to 0.1 units. The total time from the initial ECAM warning to shutdown was only 1 minute and 46 seconds.
So now, we're going to visit Aviation Expert Officer Glendon Zuckerberg to know more about insights and the professional opinions about the accident.
Good evening, Officer Glendon and reporter Anush. It's an honor to meet you. So, tell me more.
Okay, so basically what happened was that there was a bird strike caused the left engine to encounter some problems. I am going to explain why left engine oil pressure indication had instantly dropped and remained at zero. Oil pressure monitoring is provided by three sensors: two oil pressure transducers and an oil pressure switch. Pressure transducers provide oil pressure readings to EEC, which is then fed to various electrical systems, and oil pressure switch generates a signal in the event of loss of oil pressure. The EGM generates a low oil pressure message when it senses low oil pressure in order to let the engine barrels if the pressure fails. An oil pump failure condition assumed by EEC should override the oil pressure value is being transmitted to a zero value, which leads to the EK reading of zero oil pressure seen after the injection. Crucially, this logic is designed so that once it's activated, the EEC remains detached in this condition due to the sense of energy shutdown. So, summarizing what I was talking about in case you don't understand, it simply means that if the oil pressure recovers or stabilizes, the ECAM message should be eliminated and require an energy shutdown response from the crew.
So, what are the safety recommendations to offer?
So, what safety recommendation was made as a result of the investigation is as follows: that Rolls-Royce modify the oil pressure indication and pressure detection systems of Trent 700 engine. This is to minimize the possibility of an activation of the electronic engine controller oil pump failure logic as a result of high vibration or TT filter drive generator failure.
Also, what causes a bird strike?
Bird strikes can be caused by several factors. For example, habitat features such as open areas of grass and water and trees, which produce frequent attracted birds, and also migrating birds follow well-defined flight paths, and this could be a possible hazard if the flight paths are near the airport.
Can you name some preventive measures?
Well, to prevent this, I would say habitat management, which includes reduction of elimination of trees and other plants to minimize habitat for birds, and also birds carrying techniques such as broadcast bird distress signals, feathering of birds carrying cartridge, and also technical detection of large flocking birds using specialized ground-based radar birds can use.
Thank you for your time, Officer Leonard. Thanks for all your inputs.
So that brings us to the end of Aviation Times.
Remember, the strength of turbulence is only directly proportional to the temperature of your coffee. Good night. Medium-sized birds shortly after takeoff from Orlando Airport. It sustained airfront impact damage to the airfront.